and exciting. My passion is very high.
They're really amazing rappers with really high skill. I can say like they are really master in Star Wars here. If you join in this family, you feel it. We have dinners together. We share our skill. If not compete, even just to be here, you will see a lot of different things and techniques, and you will pick up your level. And that's key point in our industry.
Learn new tricks, you see new tools everywhere. So it's really great opportunity for people to come here and have a look and meet new people.
As usual, let's say that it's a great event. It's really important for Axis to take part to different events about Rapmaster, Vespa Festival, but also Rapmasters.
I'm a big believer in ecosystems, and there's a very interesting ecosystem here behind us, right?
Put your hands together with a great applause to the European Rapmasters 2023 from Hungary, Josef! I see happy tears. Is that true?
I'm quite surprised and very happy. I do it. I work a lot